Alright, what's going on people? Welcome back to the channel. So another video, another project. And in today's video, we're taking a look at a project we've been doing. Property's had a whole new basement dug out. We're carrying out all the plumbing, heating and gas work at the property. There's a whole load involved. We've got 3 zones, new boilers, new pipe work, radiators, bathrooms, kitchens, a whole load of stuff going on. So before we get on site, let's bring up the plans here. So starting with the basement, this is the complete new basement that has been dug out. We've got a kitchen, utility section, bathroom, external area and a small boiler room. We're gonna have our pipe work running from the boiler room over to this void area where we will have our pipes going up to the floors above. So yeah, that's the basement. If we take a look at the ground floor, we've just got underfloor heating going throughout and a couple radiators. And the floor above that, the first floor bedroom, we've just got pipe work going up to feed 2 radiators underneath the windows. And exactly the same for a floor above that as well. Anyway, that's enough looking at the plans. Let's go on site now and check out this property. Alright, what's going on people? So we're going to run you through this current project. Front door, walking in straight away, living room. On the ground floor we're going to have underfloor heating everywhere. So we've got our main pipes, these are the flow and return for the radiators upstairs. Flow and return going across, and we've got 2 rads, one there and one there. Same for the floor above. I'll quickly show you upstairs. In here, not much is happening. Hot and cold pipe to the bathrooms upstairs, they're staying. So bedroom above. Again, we've come up underneath, pipe works go across underneath the floor, notched in. One right there, one right there. And the same what we've done down here, we're gonna do up there. So upstairs was pretty straightforward. Luckily we didn't have to touch any of the bathrooms. But majority of the work is in the basement. As you walk in, you can see we got this big round thing in the middle. That's actually a wine cellar, so that goes 3 meters down with shelves all across the side. Over here we've got our pipe work. So we've got the flow and return, hot and cold pipe work getting laid from the boiler room. All the pipe work is being put inside the insulation so the underfloor heating can be put on top. Also teed off for hot and cold. Kitchen area down here, so hot and cold for that. Over here we're gonna have some garden doors. This is an outdoor area. Yeah, up there is the pavement. People are walking by. So this is gonna be an external area. Here is where we're gonna have all our pipes. So we're gonna come across there, and then into that hole into the boiler room. Down here we've got a pit for our sump and the basement drainage. That's all going into there, getting plumbed into. We've got Saniflos 110. That's gonna go in there, and then we're literally just gonna pump it up into that drain there, so it's not going far. All the tanking for this basement as well, all the pipe, all the water channels also go into that pit under there as well. Take a little step down. So this is a utility section. We're gonna have a washing machine, we've got cold water there. We're gonna have a vanity unit, basin, that's there. Towel, door into the bathroom. This is all gonna be completely different, but over here we've got a shower. So we put our shower plate, hot and colds coming out the wall. Over here, Ken's finished the towel. As long as all the pipe work is above the floor, they're ready to screed. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today. We'll continue tomorrow. Alright, first fix has been completed. Pipes have all been pressure tested. We're gonna leave them on 4 bar pressure overnight. And fingers crossed it's all good, but so far so good. All the pipes are in the floor, everything's been insulated, pressure tested. We've got our riser here where all the pipes are going up. Little outdoor area, they already started cementing on top of our pipes, thank God there's no leaks. Everything's Denzo'd going into the boiler cupboard. So yeah, next time you see it guys, everything will be boarded and we'll be here for the second fix. So, let's do it. Alright, second fix. Over here we've got the boiler room. here. That's where we're going to have Saniflos 110 fitted. So we've got our underfloor manifolds in place. Second fix, getting that boiler on the wall. So we're in a boiler cupboard. Gonna have our flue coming up, terminated just above that. Vaillant storage combi 938. Just gotta put the Vaillant protection kit on.
1 week later.
Alright, so protection filter is now on. The boiler room has been completed. All that's left to do is wiring the Nest thermostats. We've closed off all the pipes, put all the radiators in the wall, and we're about to fill up the system. Finally. I feel good. So quick rundown, flue, boiler room, everything's done, just the wiring. Vertical flue goes up there. We've got the pavement. Boiler room is actually underneath the pavement, along with the bathroom in here. Kitchen has been fitted. Pretty much completed here, guys. Second fix. We're almost there. Nest thermostat here, another Nest thermostat. Going to the basement. Alright, so as you can see, we've come to the end of the project almost. It's our last day. Who's calling me? What do you want, bro?